How to set up stop loss and take profit on forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to set up the stop loss and take profit orders, you have to buy or sell the stocks. So head over to the stock that you want to buy. You can navigate to this market section and explore the stocks that you want to buy. Simply tap on the stock. After you're in the stock information page, you can simply tap on this buy button in the top right. After that, you can head over to this trade or order section as per your requirements. You can enter the amount of trade size, and here you can see the take profit and stop loss option. You can simply enable these features. In this take profit section, you can determine the price level at which you want your take profit order to be triggered. This is the price level at which you want to lock in your profits. So enter the amount of profit over here. Now enable this stop loss feature, and from here you can determine the price level at which you want your stop loss order to be triggered. So this should be at a level where you are willing to exit the trade if the price moves against you. So enter the price accordingly, and once you configure other options too, you can tap on this place buy trade button. So that's how you can easily set up the stop loss and take profit on forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.